Hey everyone! The Amazfit Cheetah Pro 2 appears to be the next step in Zepp Health's growing lineup of performance-focused smartwatches aimed at runners and endurance athletes. While the company has not yet fully revealed the device, its appearance in an official promotional video has essentially confirmed its existence and offered an early look at what could become one of the brand's most interesting sports watches yet. The teaser video features Canadian long-distance runner Grant Fisher, who is seen reviewing workout data and recovery insights from a run recorded with the new watch. The activity appears in the companion Zepp app, which has long served as the central ecosystem for Amazfit devices. Although the watch itself is only briefly visible in the footage, the glimpse is enough to reveal a few important clues about the design direction. The previous model, the Amazfit Cheetah Pro, used a circular case with a rotating crown on the right side paired with a single additional button. That crown allowed users to scroll through menus and interact with the interface without relying solely on the touchscreen. The new Cheetah Pro 2 appears to take a different approach. The removal of the rotating crown, if confirmed, could indicate a focus on durability and usability during intense workouts. Physical buttons are often easier to operate while running, especially when hands are sweaty or when wearing gloves in colder environments. A two-button configuration could also simplify navigation, potentially giving the watch more dedicated controls for starting workouts, marking laps, or switching screens mid-run. Even though the teaser does not reveal full specifications, the Cheetah Pro 2 will likely continue the strong fitness and training focus that the Cheetah series is known for. The original model already offered advanced running features, detailed GPS tracking, and performance analytics aimed at competitive athletes and serious hobbyists. With the second generation, it is reasonable to expect improvements in navigation accuracy, training guidance, and recovery tracking. Another important element of the Cheetah lineup is the software experience. Amazfit devices rely on the Zepp platform, which integrates training insights, health metrics, and activity history in a unified interface. In the promotional footage, Fisher reviews his workout summary and recovery data through the app, suggesting that the Cheetah Pro 2 will continue to emphasize this data-driven training approach. The original Cheetah Pro established Amazfit's ambition to compete with high-end sports watches while maintaining a more accessible price point. By refining the design and potentially enhancing the training features, the second generation could strengthen that position. The way the device was revealed also hints at a deliberate marketing strategy. Instead of announcing the watch with a traditional product event, Zepp Health chose to include it in a promotional video featuring a professional athlete. This kind of appearance often serves as a soft confirmation before a formal launch. Overall, the Amazfit Cheetah Pro 2 looks poised to continue the brand's push into the performance smartwatch segment. While many of its capabilities remain undisclosed for now, the early teaser already suggests that Amazfit is preparing a thoughtful update aimed at making its running-focused smartwatch line even more practical for real-world training. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.